I created my okay, let's get into Sublime Text. I'm using Sublime Text. Yeah, we are. My Sublime Text is already here. So I'm gonna show you guys how I created the pseudo class selector. I already started this coding. I've been doing this now. This is my own personal project here I'm working on. But also too, I decided to use this for tutorial. All right, so I already got my CSS style sheet connected here. This is it right here, my CSS style sheet. So basically, I'm set to go. But this is not the objective of the tutorial. It's me showing you guys how I created the pseudo class selector. So now let's go. I'm about to delete all these right here. Get rid of all the div tags. We don't need that. I'm trying to build something so you guys can see. Now, let's go with the div tag here. All right, so div, got div tag, open, close, and we're gonna go in there. Gonna go right in there and open that up. I create another p tag, which the p is a paragraph tag. And I'll kind of go in there, and I'll say I want a dummy text. Hit tab on that. All right, now I'm gonna duplicate this right here. All right, and I'll bring that thing down. Duplicate. So now I got two paragraphs here on the div tag. So let me see if I would save this here. Control Shift S. It saves here. I already got my folder here, my index folder. So this is saved to my index folder, which is in my website folder. So I hit save, replace, yes. Now let's see what I have here, right? I'm gonna find this folder here in my indexed. Yeah. Here's my index. Here's my website folder here. And I'm gonna right click and hold on, right click, open with Google Chrome. Yalla, there we have it here. But now this is what I'm working on initially, right? All right, this is what I'm working on initially. So, but now you already see this working here. You already see my my H1 here already changing color, and my paragraph one is changing color from black to red, Now that I got this here, now let's go here. So now in my CSS star sheet. Sorry guys, let me remove this p tag and make it more simplistic for us to understand. Now I want to use this p tag. This is the parent and this is a child. I want to use the p tag to create my pseudo class selector effect. So I'm going to take this p tag into my star sheet, and I'm bringing it right here, and I'll do p, and I'll do column, HOVER, and open that, close, and I'm going to say color. Now this time around I want to use a different color, right? So let's use green, all right? You know, we'll try see all the colors. So let's use green. Control Shift S. I save that here. Yes, save. And I'm gonna go back and refresh my browser. Green, black. Now I can change my color here. You see I got a green to black here. I can change this to red. So let's go back into my HTML. And now this is my H1. So this H1 here is in my CSS folder. So let's find it. Here is my H1 here, right? H1 column hover, right? Now I got green here. I can change this to red. RED, and I'll do Shift Control S, save it. Yes, save it. And I'm gonna go back to my browser, and I'm gonna refresh my browser. Voila. Like voila. See, this is the beautiful thing about this, right? Now we got green here. I can go back and do the same thing. You can go back into your CSS folder. Now that we already know this, we know what selector this is. We can go in here. This is what we call the selector here. All right, there's a property here. All right, this is the value here, right? So now we can go back in here and change this. Simple. Let's go down to let's go red. You know what I mean? I like red. And red is probably one of my favorite color. Control Shift S, save it, yes, and close it, yes, and go back and refresh our browser. There we have it. Easy, guys. You can do a whole lot more with this thing here, man. Let me try another one here that I believe that you know, I don't want to leave you guys hanging because you know, I just don't. So div tag here, I love the div tag. You know what I mean? It's just me. You know what I mean? I love the div tag. I love the div tag. All right, so I got too much in here. No, I got one in here. I'll close that. Get rid of that. So I got one open here, one open div tag and a closed div tag. So I'm going in between there, and I want to use a P or H3. All right, let's do an H3 tag, right? Go in here, H3. Come here, select the H3, and say Black Lives Matter across America. Yeah. Black Lives Matter across America. Yeah. And something like that. Now, we already got that. I can Control Shift S, save it. I'm gonna show you guys where it's at. And yes. And we're gonna go back to my browser and I'll refresh my browser. There we have that right here. Now you see, this is not changing color for you know, it's just plain black. Now we have to apply this pseudo style selector on this to get this effect that we have here. So I want to make this yellow. You know, black and yellow is more of our trademark for Black Lives Matter, right? So I'll go into my style sheet, right? Into my styles.css. Now I want to use this selector here, right? H3. So I'm coming here and I'm gonna do H3. Boy, I'm gonna do H3, right? Now I'm gonna use my semicolon here, my column here, and I'm gonna do HOVER. But remember, I don't want that to be far apart. Something's not right here, right? Something right here. Oh, hold on. You see. All right, guys. Let's see what we got here. Bingo. Now we got that. Now I gotta do my my thing here. Close that. Now I want to make that yellow, right? So I go color, and then go yellow. All right. So I'm gonna go Control Shift S. And there we have Control Shift F, save. Do you want to replace that? Yes, absolutely. And refresh my browser. And there we have it. Okay, guys, I love you guys, man. God bless. Look, go ahead, man, and do more and more and more. And remember, learning is something that you pass on. So I'm passing it on, and you learn it and you pass it on. God bless and have a good day, man.